5 foods to help you stop snoring. In the same way that we can use some tricks that can be helpful to stop snoring or eliminate from our lives some habits that may be the consequence of snoring, we can help with our diet, trying to consume some foods that are quite effective in improving this condition. There are some very effective methods to help, among which we can find nasal strips and drugs, plus some tricks that for some people can be an efficient and long-lasting solution. But it's important to know that there are some simple foods that can control and eliminate this very annoying habit. Honey. This is a very delicious way to end snoring because you can add it to all the drinks you consume during the course of the day. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties that can help clear the airways and thus you can achieve a peaceful sleep. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is very effective to help clear the throat and all the airways in general, since it eliminates phlegm. Fish. Fish consumption is very healthy, so it should be included in your daily diet. Eating fish more frequently, and white meat in general, than red meats, helps you stop snoring. This is because, usually, all red meat and saturated fats can provoke spasms that create inflammation in the nasal passages, so it not only improves the quality of sleep, but will also improve overall health. Olive oil. This is the best oil for consumption there is, because olive oil's saturated fat intake is minimal. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, so it improves the quality of sleep by preventing snoring. Soy milk. It is recommended to replace regular milk, cow milk, by soybean milk, as cow's milk produces more mucus in the throat area, which increases snoring. Remember and if you can include these foods in your daily diet, you will surely have a better quality of life by achieving a peaceful sleep. Also, the people around you will benefit, since this problem usually affects more the couples that have to bear the snores.